name your name tag. Look, now I'm gonna show you. It's colored. How to color your name tag. Only I'm gonna show you. I didn't put here. When you join the game or someone joins you, the name will appear. I'll teach you. I'm gonna teach you how to color it. Any color you want. First, go to your settings. Profile. There's your name. To color it, first you need to press this, the double S sign. When you don't have it on your phone, you can just where is it? Hold the letter P. Where is it? Hold this. It will appear as well. That number what? Pick other colors. One. It only works with 1 to 9. A, B, C, D. See? And I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna turn upside down. You can name yourself Grum and Dinnerbone. I'm gonna go with Grum. Grum. And you play. Bit lag. No Barry. See, when you name yourself Grum or Dinnerbone, it will turn like this. It's a pirate. Or upside down. See that? Leave a like when you like this video. Bye.